Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And today I'm going to be reviewing our new N2 Pro Dual 1080p dash camera. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com, and if you would like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper right hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. Our new VanTrue N2 dual dash mounted camera is a must-have for any service vehicle, transportation or rideshare service, or even for just your daily commute. It has two 1080p cameras built into one small unit that suction cups to the windshield of any vehicle. You can get an even sharper picture out of the front-facing camera when used alone, up to 1440p. The front camera has a 170-degree field of view, while the secondary camera has a 140-degree field of view, along with 4 infrared LEDs for night vision shots of the interior of the vehicle. All setup for the unit would take place within the onboard menu, which is easily navigated through the 1.5-inch LCD screen, and you can get up to 23 hours recorded when both cameras are recording at 1080p with a 256GB SD card. In other dash camera videos, I've mentioned how those devices operate not with batteries, but with supercapacitors that would not explode in an overheated vehicle, as batteries have the potential to do. This unit does have a battery, albeit a very small one, just enough for 15 minutes of use for, say, removing from the vehicle and taking pictures of an accident that has occurred. The roads just keep getting bigger to accommodate more and more drivers hitting the roads each year. The chances of an accident will only increase over time, so it's always a great idea to get yourself a car camera. More and more, people are also needing evidence of their own actions to prove their innocence in the matter. So a dual camera like this can mean the difference between a clean record or a major hike in insurance payments. Okay everyone, here we are at the unboxing for the N2 Pro Dual 1080p dash camera. So let's see what all comes inside. We do have the unit itself. Right there. Show you how that hooks up in just a second. Protective cover. Then got some paper right here from the manufacturer. Here's a quick start guide. Give you the finer points of detail, mostly everything that you would have to do on a day-to-day basis with operating the unit. And then here is the major manual. Goes into all the finer points of detail, telling you everything this unit can do. Then, there you go. There's the mounting bracket for the unit. I'll show you how that hooks up in just a second. Here is the data cable, so that when you need to pull files off the SD card, you can take the unit out of the vehicle, plug it into a computer, and pull the files off that way. And there you can save and delete your files as well. And then here is the cigarette lighter adapter power cable for a vehicle. So let's get it plugged into that power adapter and the cable strung along the windshield out into the camera. And to hook it all up, the power cable will actually get plugged into this port right here. It is not going to get plugged into this port. This is just for the data cable. And then actually underneath here is where you would insert your SD card. As well, you can plug it into a HDMI cable so that you can plug it right onto a TV and view the videos that way. Okay, so then how this guy will work. See, these gold contacts are going to be plugged into the port right in there. Very simple. Just slides into place. There we go. Slides into place. Suction cup to the windshield. Plugged in for power right over here. Able to view everything right here on the screen. So that is the unboxing for the N2 Pro Dual 1080p dash camera. Let's go ahead and take a look at some demo footage that I've taken. Hey folks, as I finished my video for the N2 Pro Dual 1080p dash camera, I forgot one crucial point, that suction cup mount. So, you're not actually going to and then stick it to the windshield. What you're going to do is, this is my Pretty Bird mirror, you go ahead and slap it on, and then you're going to turn it. turn it, and there you go. Now it's locked in place. So that's how you go ahead and get the N2 Pro Dual 1080p dash camera mounted to your windshield.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check with your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
You see me? Oh, I see you.
I see you through the hamster.
I see you. We do monitor the comment sections of our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, please feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you.